Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ensign, Mexican Fiesta! The ensigns are decked out in their sombreros, and the mini on the losing side will fall into a Mexican dish. And the winning ensign and its mini will get to enjoy some yummy churros.
Churros. They are so delicious. A churro is a snack made of fried pastry dough from flour, salt, and water.
Ocho ensigns remaining, Ryan versus Thomas.
Uh-oh. Hasta la vista! Hey, I thought I was promised some fine Mexican cuisine. I don't seem to see anything here. Oh! Chips! Yummy! But when you've got chips, you've got to have salsa. Ooh, hey, you read my mind. This is great. I hope it's really hot and spicy. I'm not afraid of the spicy stuff. In fact, I love it.
Great job, Ryan. We are one step closer to churros.
Siete ensigns remaining, Luke versus Dan.
Oh boy, I landed on a taco. A taco is a traditional Mexican dish filled with meat or vegetables inside a hard or soft shell. The only problem is I am far too little to eat this entire taco myself.
Six ensigns remaining, Spencer versus GATOR. Otra vez, por favor.
Roar! Oh, it's just a tortilla. That's not very messy. Hey, what are you doing? Get your hands off me! Why are you wrapping me in there? I can't get in here. I can't get out. Help me! I can't even breathe in here. Let me crawl out. Oh, I am not a burrito. This is just too ridiculous. Get me out of here right now.
Cinco ensigns remaining, Bass versus Mike.
I do not understand. Where is my food? Rice, also known as arroz. It makes for such a great side dish, or a great complement to any taco or burrito, or even an enchilada or chimichanga. You name it. Rice goes good with everything.
Cuatro ensigns remaining, Ryan versus Dan.
Oh! All I wanted was my churro, and now it is gone, replaced with, what is this? Beans with cheese? Frijoles con queso? This is not acceptable. What am I going to do? All I wanted was a churro. Is that too much to ask?
Dan goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Spencer or Bass? Only Trace ensigns remaining.
Oh no! Well, now look at this! My very own burrito to enjoy! Not bad at all! Although, I prefer things you find at the ballpark, like hot dogs, pretzels, and nachos, but I'll take a burrito any day. Besides, this is probably better for me anyway.
Final round, Spencer versus Dan. Only dos ensigns remaining.
I'm in food! A whole Mexican meal! What is that? What do I smell? Ooh, it's a chimichanga. That looks pretty good. I think I'll dig it. Oh no, I got into the sour cream and it's all over my face. I can't breathe. I think I'm gonna sneeze.
Spencer is the ganador.
You know, I always preferred sprinkles on my churros. Fantastic.
Gracias for watching. Be sure to subscribe.